Hello everyone. In continuation to various numerical problems, what we are doing on compound interest, we had also seen one problem on depreciation. Now this is to find out the effective rate of interest for a given nominal rate of interest. So here we will consider the nominal rate as I. Nominal rate of interest as small I, that is given to be 3% per annum or 0.03 per annum. If I have to find out the effective rate of interest, which is capital E, effective rate of interest, and I will use the formula 1 plus I to the power of n minus of 1. So here the question says I need to find out the effective rate of interest payable half yearly. If that means first I need to convert this into half yearly rate, which is 0.0. If I divide, this will be 0.015, but let me 0.15 per half year. And our n in 1 year, there will be 2 half years. So based on that, we'll calculate the effective rate of interest, which will be 1 plus 0.015 to the power of 2 minus 1. So how much it is? 1.015 to the power of 2 minus 1. We get 0.030225, which is 3.0225 the percentage. So nominal rate is 3% and effective rate of interest is little higher than the nominal rate because the compounding is being done on half yearly basis instead of yearly basis. That is the solution for this particular problem. In case if you find the contents to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.